Okay. Word problems on percentage. Okay, please prepare your highlighter, or you need to uh, find a way how you can circle important words. All right. A mouse is walking on the periphery of a regular polygon. Regular polygon. Circle this. All right, or highlight this word. It means the distance A, B, C, D, E, F. They are all the same. Okay. Hence, each side is 1/6 of the total perimeter. Okay, that will make it 16.6. Now the question is asking us covering 23% distance starting at the S in the clockwise direction. Okay, if from here to here is 16.6, another 16.6 will be 33.3. So hence 23% is somewhere here on the path of B. All right, the answer is C. Now, question 2. Okay, you have to make comparison. Okay, basically the expenditure must be kept the same. Okay, and I let expenditure be E, price be P, and consumption be C. Okay, expenditure is the petrol price times the consumption, right? And it's known, it's given here that new petrol price is 10% more, so it's 110% of the old petrol price. 10% more is, it just means 110% of the old petrol price. So now they're asking you how much the consumption must decrease to ensure that they spend the same amount of money. Okay, so E1 must be equals to E2. Okay, E1 is the same as P times C, and E2 is 1.1p, right? As I show it here, 110% is the same as 110 over 100, which is 1.1 in decimal. Okay, times xc, and we're going to find what is x. Okay, x is actually 1 over 1.1, and you get them to be 0.9090909, so on. That means they have to make the current consumption is only 90.9% of the previous one. Okay, so how much reduction? It's 1, or you can do 100% minus 90.9 is the same, or you can do 1 minus 0.909, which will give you 0.0909, which is the same as 9.09%, and which is actually 9 and 1/11%. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Yeah. Okay, now number 3, the length of a rectangle is increased by 15% and the breadth is reduced by 23%. What is the percentage of change in the area of the rectangle? Now I make a sketch here. Okay, the length increased by 15%, the breadth reduced by 23%. Remember to get the arrows correctly. Yeah, increase, decrease. Okay, so that means, okay, your second rectangle's length will be 1.15 of the first rectangle's length, and the breadth will be 0.77 from the first rectangle's breadth. How do I get this number? This is just 100% minus 23%, 77%, which is 0.77. All right, so area of the first rectangle is L1 times B1. Area of the second rectangle is L2 times B2. L2 sub in the value is 1.15 of L1 and times 0.77 B1. Okay, L1 times B1 is A1, remember? So there you can know that it's 0.8855. Okay, and 0.8855, do not stop here. You must continue to subtract that from 1. You get 0.1145, which means it is 11.45%. Okay, now number 4, a solution of sugar and water. Solution means mixture. Okay, and it blends so well. Contains 20% sugar by weight, and 50 gram of water, 50 kilogram of water evaporates from the solution, and now contains 25% of sugar. the original quantity of solution is blank blank blank. Okay, so I make a simple diagram here. I divide to 5 equal parts. Okay, 20%. 20% is equals to 1/5. Okay, this is the sugar, and the remaining is the water. All right, so the water make up 4/5, 4 parts of the 5 parts. Right. So now, look at here. 50 kilogram of water evaporates from the solution. So in the water part, you take away 50 kilogram, and now it contains this 1/5 becomes 1/4, which is exactly what this picture is showing. Okay, there are 4 parts now. The 5th part is gone. It's just nice in this case. So that means 50 kilogram is actually 1/5 of the solution. All right. Now, because of this, the original quantity of the solution is 5 times 50 kilogram. It's 250. Yeah. Now, this is also very straightforward. Look at what they are asking you. The percentage students absent. Absent 6 students out of 40 students. And then do all the simplification, you find that to be 50%. Okay, number 6, the chart shows production of different apparel in garment factory. If the production of trousers is 17,625. Now look here. Suits is 37.5, same as trousers, and the tie is only 25%, 1/4. Okay, this is 1/4. This is actually 3/8, 3/8. Yes, 3/8. You plus 3/8. You get it. You get 3/4, which is 3/4. Okay, so this is some of the fraction that you need to know. This is the same as 3/8. Okay. So if you're given that your trousers, the 3 parts of the whole 8 portion is 17,625. Now they are asking you, what is the price of combined production of ties and trousers? Ties and trousers. This is 3/8, and this is a quarter. A quarter is actually 2/8. Yeah, this is a quarter, the same as 2/8. So altogether, this one becomes 5/8. Okay, and that means you are supposed to find 5 parts in comparison of 3 parts. Okay, the trousers is 3 parts, the ties and trousers is the 5 parts. Okay, so I just do this comparison, 5 to 3 out of 17,625, which leads me to this number. Okay, next question 7. Both the non-diagonal sides of a right-angled isosceles triangle are decreased by 15%. Okay, by what percentage does the size of diagonal decreases? Okay, this is like if you remember your enlargement. Okay, enlargement, we enlarge it, everything else follows by the factor of enlargement, but here is decreasing. It's decreasing, so if this side, these two sides decreases, this one has to decrease by the same percentage. Okay, that is just a common sense. Yeah, so I don't have to work it out in details. I just do a sketch like this, and it's understandable. Okay, if a rhombus is reshaped such that one of its diagonal decreases by 2%, the other diagonal decreases by 2% too. One is increases and one is decreases. Okay, find the percentage change in the area of rhombus. Okay, basically this is what it should look like. Okay, from this shape to this shape, approximately. Okay, it's just to tell us that this one increases in the measurement, the other side is decreases. Okay, so the first area is the formula for the area of rhombus is half first diagonal times second diagonal. Okay, and I know that this object, it has, this is my D1, this is my D2, and this is D3 and D4. Okay, and you know that there's a increase and decrease of 2%. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. This is supposed to be an increase, so it's 1.02. All right, so that means my calculation should be 999. This is not 967. 0.4 anymore. This is 0.9996. Okay, so we do it accordingly. Is 1 minus 0.9996, which is equals to 0.0004. Okay, this is the same as 0.04%. Okay, don't forget, move it by 2 units to the right. Alright, so the area of the new rhombus, the second rhombus, decreases by 0.04%, because this number is smaller than 1, so it has to decrease, unless if this new area is more than the first area, more than 1, then it has to be an increase. Okay, that's how you differentiate. Okay, now number 9 is quite straightforward. 32% of 31%. 32% times 31%. So you get them to be 0.0992 or 9.92%. 9.92%. Yeah. Number 10, if the length of a rectangle is decreased by 40% and the width is decreased by 30%, do the same way. Okay. Some simple sketches will help you us a lot. Okay. So this is the first area, this is the second area. It has reduced, yeah, because both length and width are decreased, one by 40% and one by 30%. So I put that into an equation. My second length is only 0.6 of the first length, because a decrease of 40%, it means what remains is only 60%, and 60% is the same as 0.6. And a decrease of 30%, it means the second measurement is only 70% of the first measurement. All right, and that makes it 0.7. 70% equals to 0.7. All right, so 0.6 times 0.7 is 0.42. 6 over 10 times 7 over 10 is 42 over 100. 0.42. Okay, of the first area. Now we don't stop here. Remember, don't stop here. You are supposed to find the percentage of which the area decreases. So the original was 1, okay, 100%. It reduced by 0.42. So what is left is 0.58, which is 58%. That means the second area is only 42% of the first one. Okay, by how much percent it has decreased? You must subtract 42% from the 100%, which leads us to 58%. Okay, so it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, I hope you guys take note of this. Okay, because we use this until we grow into an adult. Yeah, everything we calculate by percentage. Okay, it's an important topic. You have to master it. Good luck, all the best.